Now we will go over some of the safety rules. First rule is to always have your hair up so you don't get it interacted with during the lab process. The second rule is to always have an apron on to prevent your clothes from getting a stain or any chemicals on it.
Okay, so the third rule is to always make sure to have your goggles on in order to keep your eyes protected from any chemicals that might splash out of the pig or anything that could fall inside your eye. And the fourth rule is to never have food or drinks around the lab or in the lab, because if you eat in the lab, you never know what might have fallen in there, and it's just not safe.
The fifth rule is
no more swimming in the lab!
And the sixth rule is to always have your gloves to protect your hands from any chemicals.
Hi, my name is Jamie Vega and I'm the lab technician, and the purpose for this lab is for us to dissect the pig in order to get a close look up right here to see how the organs are in the body and how the organs work in their organ system.
Hello, my name is Florbo and I am the scribe and the maintenance for this lab. Here in front of me I have some materials. This is a triple beam balance and it's going to be used to measure the mass of the fetal pig and any other materials. This is the lab coat, and it is used to prevent any stain on the clothes and so you're nice and neat. These are the gloves, and they have to be used anytime you're about to handle the tools or mess with the pig. The goggles in the process of dissection, just to prevent any harm to your eyes. Here we have the scissors, and this is big scissors for big, large cuts. This is the small scissors for delicate parts. Here are the forceps, and we have two different types. Either one works, and they are just used to like pick up tissue or grab any organs and place them on the lab table. This is a probe, and it is used to move around any tissue without tearing it or damaging it. This is a scalpel, and it is used to make any cuts for the tissue, which you pick up with the forceps, and then you proceed to making the cut. The dissecting needle, this is used to move around small tissue without harming it. And this is the magnifying glass to look at any small organs.
Hi, my name is Brandon Rosas, and I'm the supervisor and one of the lab technicians in this project. And today I'm going to show you that this is the dorsal side of the pig, this is the ventral side of the pig, this is the anterior side of the pig, and this is the posterior side of the pig. Hi, my name is Meredith, and I'm going to show you some of the parts of the external anatomy of the pig. Now, this is the philtrum. It is the little slit between the lip and the nose. These are external nares, also known as nostrils, and they are used for the pig to breathe. This is the pinna, these outer flaps of the ears, and it is used to focus on their hearing and help them focus to hear and things like that. And these are vertebrae, little facial hairs that help them with their senses, with their 5 senses.
Ready? Hi guys, my name is Jamie, and I'm going to be showing you the nictitating membrane. It helps keep the eye clean. It's right outside the eye. And then its umbilical cord, it helps it breathe and eat while it's in the womb. And then the nipples, it helps it feed its young whenever it's older.
Okay, so this right here is the trunk, and it's composed of 2 parts. This right here is the thorax, right behind the ears, and this right here is the abdomen, also known as the belly, which encloses the stomach, intestines, liver, spleen, and the pancreas.
Crap, I had to go more down here. Because I'm scared to cut the organ.
Okay, so the first organ for the digestive system is the teeth, and the teeth help grind and chew all the food to go down. The second organ would be the tongue, and the tongue's function is to taste all of their food that they eat. The third organ, the process of the food process, is the esophagus. The esophagus carries all the food from the mouth down to the stomach. Fourth organ is the stomach. The function of the stomach is to digest
and break down the food with its acid. And then after the stomach, absorb the nutrients and
it's just like the digestive system.
and then it's the waste
And it absorbs all the other liquids in the food.
the left liquids. And then after the large and the anus is where everything
Is where
goes
the pig
out.
excretes its waste.
Yes, out the body.
Hey, my name is Meredith and I'm a supervisor, and I'm going to show you that this is the anus right here, this little hole, and it is for the pigs to excrete its waste. Here's another organ of the digestive system, which is the liver, and the liver basically just deoxidizes the blood to make it clean. Another system is the nervous system, and one of the main organs is the brain, and the brain basically controls the body and sends signals throughout the body to tell the body what to do and when.
And then we also have the heart, and the heart helps pump blood throughout the body.
These are the nostrils, and the organ of the nostrils is to smell.
As a reservoir for the bile when it is not used in the digestive system of the pig. Houses bacteria that helps remove cellulose in a pig. Any metabolic waste from the blood of the animal. Help the animal gain oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. This is the spleen of the pig, and it is used to remove aging blood cells from the blood.
For the conclusion over the dissection of the pig, the group and I decided to focus on the main parts of the digestive system, such as the mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, and the anus. We also decided to explore other functions, such as the brain. We really focused on the brain because what we found really amusing was how soft and delicate the skull actually was, which the skull's function is basically to protect the brain, since it's one of the most important organs in our body. It's so delicate, and since it focuses on controlling almost everything, such as our spinal cord, which also controls the pig's spinal cord, and it's very important. We also saw, as the last thing, was that the digestive system was really similar to the rat's dissection, which also was dissected in class, and it also was similar to ours, and that was to us quite amusing.